Back to Unifoods and the second episode of Frisky Fridays. Today I'm joined with
Asha.
Yeah. We live in Unifoods together in Fallowfield, and of course I'm studying neuroscience, and Asha.
I'm studying mental health nursing.
She's actually really tall. She's just kneeling down right now to make.
I didn't want to embarrass him.
Yeah. So Asha, what are we going to cook today?
Salmon fish burgers.
Yeah. Have you ever done this before?
No, I haven't.
No. What would you rate your cooking experience on 1 to
0.
10?
Well, today we're using tin salmon.
£1.20 per can from Aldi. We're using 2 cans, and that's going to be about 5 burgers.
2 red onions. 1 egg. Olive oil. Some white pepper.
Is it not white pepper? Yeah, white pepper and black salt.
Black pepper. Some pepper and some salt. And some mayonnaise.
So first, you're going to cut an onion. Do you know how to correctly cut an onion?
No. Would you like to demonstrate?
I shall let you know. So this little furry thing, do you know what that's called?
Bottom of the onion.
No. Well, that is the root. Now, a common mistake people make is they cut that off. What you want to do is just cut this bit off, and then you want to cut through the root like that with the skin still on. So because we've left the root on, it means that when I cut it now, it's not going to fall to pieces. It's kind of useful. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut it, but not all the way to the root, like this.
Interesting.
So now that we've got our first incisions, we're going to now cut in the opposite direction. You're going to want to go as far as you can, but then eventually it's going to get to the point where you're going to have to switch around or chop your fingers off.
Interesting.
I prefer the first option. Okay? So just as thin as you can, and it's all going to just fall into some nice diced pieces.
Very nice.
Now it's your turn. Can you remember what I asked you to do?
I'm gonna chop the root middle bit. Just right down the middle.
Yeah.
Then you need to peel. Then you want to slice finely.
Bit finer. Finer. Finer.
It won't go any finer.
Well done. You've completed step 1
Great.
with 0 tears. Right, so it's very unusual that you'll get it diced to the right level just by initially cutting it. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take the knife. Not a knife. You're going to put it over, and with your other hand, press down, and you're just going to keep doing that. So next you're going to put all these onions into the bowl of salmon. Do you know how to crack an egg?
Yeah.
Okay, so crack an egg into that bowl. Good attempt. Okay, so now add the egg to the onions and salmon.
Eggy.
Okay, you're now going to add a tablespoon worth of mayonnaise. That's.
No. What if the spoon's not working for you?
Spoon's not working for you. You can get a bit dirty. Put your hands in there. As a bonus, your hands will smell really nice afterwards.
Fishy
Fishy
onion.
nice oily texture as well. 2 grinds of salt and pepper. While Asha is doing that, I'm going to prepare the pan, which is just 1 sprinkle of olive oil. Make sure that's nice and even, and then put that on the stove on medium-high heat. So Asha's just mixing the salt and pepper in. As an optional addition, you can add some lemon juice, which I would recommend, but of course it's a bit pricey for student, especially if you shop at Sainsbury's like this one, for no reason. A trick to stop you, if you put your hand here, trick to stop you getting the seeds in the mixture is to squeeze into your hands.
Ew.
And the lemon juice will go into the bowl with these seeds won't. But now we're going to actually mould the patties. So what you're going to do is get about a tablespoon, a big tablespoon.
It looks like tuna.
And then pass it into my hand. And you're just going to want to squish it. You're going to want to make it like quite small, but thick, because it's going to spread out, but it can't get any taller. Also, we'll make 1 more, so we've actually made 6, not 4. Even if you make an excess, best thing to do if you're not going to eat them all at once, freeze them, and then you can defrost them later. Meal prepping. Patties to the pan now. You're going to want to make sure your pan is nice and hot. So you're going to want to leave them on there for, how do you think long do you think you should leave them on for?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, yeah, that's a good time. So we're going to flip them now. Can she do it? Yes, you can.
No.
Ah, you fucked it up. We're not making scrambled salmon. And meanwhile, what are we going to do?
Prep the kitchen.
No.
So, to help with our salmon fish cakes, we have chosen panini bread, which we've cut in half to make nice little homemade burger buns.
Shout out to Aldi. You can get 4 of these paninis for 80p, which is
wow,
how
that
many
is
burgers?
a bargain. Alright, that is. Why are you making me do maths? I don't know.
4 times 2.
That is 8 burgers. So now we're just, prepping the burgers, adding some spinach, leaves. You want to be generous with the spinach, you don't want to be stingy. Don't make it taste nice.
Okay, so I'm going to add the nicely done burgers. Do you want to do the honors?
So yummy.
So price-wise, you're probably looking at, for how many have we done? 6 burgers. You're looking at about, let's see, so £1 each for this 2 salmon cans. That's £2. 80p for the bread cakes, and about 80p. Well, about for the amount of spinach we've used, say about 20p. So what's that, Asha?
Why are you asking me that? Oh no.
That's £3. So for 6 burgers, you've spent £3.
Wow.
Okay, so now it's tasting time. See what we think.
Favourite bit?
Ready? 3, 2.
That is so good.
Not bad, not bad. You can get 6 burgers for the price it's actually less than 1 Big Mac. So take that into account, Mate. Okay, so thank you for joining me today, Asha, for another episode of Frisky Fridays. Have you learned something constructive today?
Well, let's just say I'm definitely going to make these again.
Alongside your pot noodles.
Classic me.
So yeah, thank you for tuning in to another episode. Please like and subscribe, and follow the Instagram for Unifoods at uni_foods for the latest updates. Thank you.
Bye. You should go like this on the camera.